WWF58.gov/BOI. The current time is 9:18 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. This is a winter weather advisory message for the following area in Idaho, West Central Mountains, issued at 1:41 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Winter weather advisory in effect from 5 p.m. this afternoon to 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. This message is for snow expected. Total snow accumulation 1 to 5 inches below 5,000 feet, 4 to 8 above 5,000 feet, with up to 8 to 12 inches in high elevation passes and summits. Snow levels rise Friday. Mountain towns could see a switch from snow to rain. Gusts increase to 20 to 30 miles per hour Friday night. Locations affected include the Boise Mountains and West Central Mountains. The timing is from 5 p.m. this afternoon to 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. Impacts, roads, and especially bridges and overpasses will likely become slick and hazardous.
Oh, I could get a Missoula station.
Could be very difficult
They currently have a
locally heavy snowfall
winter
will
storm
limit
warning
visibilities.
in effect.
Slow down and use caution while traveling.
Unfortunately,
The latest road
I haven't been able to get a
conditions
Missoula
for
station
calling
out
from
here.
can be obtained by calling 511.
Somehow I've gotten
Here is the official national weather.
Pendleton. I literally forgot their numbers. Isn't it PQR? Yeah, I think it's PQR. Yeah, I've gotten Pendleton because WNG560. But somehow not Missoula. Yeah,
Chance of precipitation
quite weird.
in the valleys.